Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my old and returning subscribers, thank you. If you are new here, my name is Grace. Welcome to Affordable Lux TV. I talk about all affordable fashions, be it high fashion, low fashion, anything in between. As long as it's affordable, I will bring it here on my channel and share with you guys. So guys, today I have a Coach unboxing. This is the box. I already opened it and I took a peek at what was inside. So I was so excited to receive this box in the mail yesterday. And when you look on the website and the item comes to the house, you'll be excited to see what it looks like in real life. Okay, so I already took a sneak peek at it. So guys, I decided to jump on the train for the mini handbags. Okay, so Coach have some lovely mini handbags or bag charms on their website. So, and I decided to just pick a few of it because they have that extra 15% discount going on now. All right, so I decided to pick two of them, which I'm going to share with you all. Okay, so if you are interested, keep watching. So guys, let's go right into it. Okay, so this is the pack. I'm just gonna share with you the little the mini bag charms. Okay, because I got other items which is for traveling. I don't know if you're interested in seeing that, but so this is the item I got for the back charm. Okay, so this one, so this is the one I got. Okay, yep, this is so cute. So let me see what this is called. Let me look at the name of this one. This is called the mini cut backpack. Okay, so it's a mini cut backpack, and this one they have, this is like $59. I'm not quite sure. I'll put it on the screen with that extra 15% off. Okay, so these zips are functional. The zip is functional. Let me take this off so you can open it and close it and put maybe like a lip gloss in here. This is open already. Take all the stuff in. I like how Coach package their merchandise when they are sending it out to you. They package it real good, put in real good stuff in so it doesn't damage while it's coming to you. Okay, yeah, so this is what this look like. So this will fit you know this will fit one or two things. And this is the back, and this, it has like a lobster claws here. You can hang it on your bag. It has the keychain there. Okay, and it has the little strap for the backpack. Okay, let me take this out. Oh, there's a little Coach charm here. Okay, so guys, this comes in two colors. It comes in this vanilla or off-white color, and it also comes in like the color block where you have like orange, red, and and I'll put it on the screen here so you can see it. But that one is sold out. Currently have this one in the on the online website. Okay, and this is from the Coach outlet. Okay, all right, so it has that Coach signature charm and smooth leather here, and the hardware is gold. It's so cute. All right, guys, let me grab the next one. So this is the next one is called the X Grain mini wallet on a chain. Okay, so this is X Grain mini wallet on a chain. So let me just take this out. I think this is the chain, and this is what this look like. You open up. Wow, coach with their stuffing. You see what I what I mean? Oh. They stuff this thing up good so that you know your merchandise is not damaged. So this will fit a lot of cards, and this is the chain that comes with it. Even the chain is packaged very well. Let me go and take out that chain. Okay. So the chain have like a lobster clubs here, and it has that D-ring at the side. Okay, guys, so you just clip it there, then the other side has that D-ring, and click it here. Okay, so it has that snap closure, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this you can wear cross body, and the chain is quite long. I think this is like a 42-inch chain, and you wear like that. I like how it has the coach name and the horse here in that gold hardware. Okay, and this is what it looks like. All right, so this is so good. I like it. I think this will fit like a little lip gloss, like those mini lip gloss will fit in there. It has another inner pocket here. Two inner pockets. Okay, one here and one here. I don't know if you can see it. That's 2, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this will fit like maybe 10 credit cards or 8 credit cards. Between 8 to 10 credit cards it will fit. But you know, once you're going out like going out for movies, want to quick run around to the gas station, you know, you can just grab this and wear it as a crossbody. Okay, all right, guys, so I just want to try to use this chain and put here and see how it will look. Okay, guys, let's see how this will look. It has a little D-ring here, so let me clip it on that D-ring. All right, and there's another ring here. Let's see if it will go there. Okay, guys, so you can carry this and you can wear this, you know, as a crossbody, but I don't think it will work with this D-ring. Let me put it up here. Let me put it up here and see. Okay, so I moved it up here so that when you wear it, it will sit upright. So let me do a little mud shot for you, and just to give you a look to see, you know, just to see what it looks like. Okay, when you wear it as a little crossbody. Okay, and remember, you can also use this as a a bag charm, okay, to your backpack, to your handbag, just to jazz it up a little bit. All the big designers, they've been doing this. Fendi, they've been doing this. I mean, Fendi also have something like this with the peekaboo. That's the picture right there. Louis Vuitton also have little back charms like this, but their own price is way, way up there, okay? So if Coach is doing it for cheaper, just trust me, I will always bring it. I will always bring the affordable, items to you, okay? So you don't have to break the bank for the same look. And trust Coach. Coach have the quality as well, okay? All right, guys, let's do the mud shot now. Looks so beautiful, guys. And it sits right at my hips. I am 5'6", okay? All right, so this is the first one. Nice, so beautiful. I love it. I love it. So let's go and look at the next one. So this is the black one, guys. So, so, so beautiful. I love it. I love it. So your hands are free. Very, very cute, okay? Cute, 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 and beautiful. So guys, these are so, so, so cute. They are so beautiful, all right? So if you want to go the affordable way, check my description below. You will see all the links to get this, okay? So hurry, they still have that 15% off, okay? So thank you so, so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click on it if you like fashion items and you want to pay the affordable price for it. Click on the subscription and turn on your bell notification. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.